How to watch live football on YouTube TV and access HGTV. Step number 1, subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, which broadcast various football games. Step number 2, install the YouTube TV app on your device. Download and install the YouTube TV app on your preferred device such as smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device. Step number 3, sign in to your YouTube TV account. Open the app and sign in with your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 4, access live football games. Use the search function to find specific football games or browse the live or sports sections to discover ongoing or upcoming matches. Step number 5, access HGTV content. HGTV is included in the YouTube TV channel lineup. Navigate to the live or entertainment sections to find HGTV and watch live or on-demand content.